Class, our today's topic is addition of rational number. So before I explain you how to add rational number, some points which are very important. First is you have to know addition of symbol, how to add symbols. That is very important. It means when you have a +2 +3, the answer is +5, -2 -3, the answer is -5, -2 +3, the answer is +1, or +2 -3, the answer is -1. How it will come? Understand this addition of symbol. That is very important. Number second point is multiplication of symbol. That is plus into minus, minus, plus into plus, plus, minus into plus, minus, and minus into minus, plus. These are very important for addition of rational number. Third is divide of symbol. It is also very important. It means plus divide by plus, plus, plus divide by minus, minus, minus divide by minus, plus, and minus divide by plus, that is equal to minus. So these 3 points are very important to understand addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number. So before we start addition of rational number, you have to know some properties of symbols. Plus into minus, that is minus. Plus into plus, that is plus. Minus into plus, minus, and minus into minus, plus. These 4 properties of symbols are most important for addition of rational number. I will explain you how. Suppose class, you want to add 4/7 plus minus 5/7. So the first step, that is very important, you have to put the bracket. That is very important. Minus 5/7 means class minus 5/7. I can put the symbol between 5 and 7. You already know. It's very important. Either your symbol is numerator, negative symbol, I am talking about negative symbol, or maybe it is in denominator. In both the cases, your symbol should be between 5 and 7. The meaning is 5/7 contain negative sign. Either it's minus 5/7 or either it's 5/-7. The meaning is 5/7 contain negative sign. So what is the meaning of that? 5/7 contain negative sign. So class, 4/7. Now here you can see this is plus symbol and this is minus symbol. So in this time, this is very important. Plus into minus, that is equal to minus. Minus 5/7. So now it's very easy. 4/7 minus 5/7. I am using bracket here to convert these 2 symbol into single symbol. It means whenever you have a 2 symbol, so convert first in that a single symbol, and it is only you can do by the multiplication. So you all know 4/7 minus 5/7 means 4 minus 5, that is minus 1/7. So this is your answer, minus 1/7. 18/-41 and minus 37/41. Again class, I told you either your negative symbol is in denominator or either it's in your numerator. The meaning is it is 18/41 which contain negative sign. You all know addition is it. So again minus 37 upon 41 means 37 upon 41 contain negative sign. Understand? So again minus 81 upon 41, and now plus into minus, minus 37 upon 41. So minus 81 upon 41 minus 37 upon 41. And now you all know, if there are two negative symbols, then you add them. You all know the addition of negative symbol. It is the addition of negative symbol. We already discussed these things in our previous videos. So it is 41 is your common denominator, minus 81 minus 37. So how to solve this minus 81 minus 37? You all know, if plus sign and plus sign is there, then you add them. If minus and minus sign is there, then you add them. Only you can take negative symbol. Now you add these two numbers and your number is in negative form. So minus 118 upon 41 is your answer. One more question class. Minus 9 upon minus 7 plus 3 upon 14 plus minus 8 upon 21. So class, for addition of rational number, it's very important. You have to understand multiplication of symbol, addition of symbol, and division of symbol. It's very important. If you don't understand these things, then it's very difficult for you to consider these questions. So minus 9 upon minus 7 means class, minus upon minus plus 9 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14. Now class, I told you, when you have a two symbols, then the meaning is minus 8 upon 21. So 9 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14, and plus into minus, minus 8 upon 21. So class, use the bracket whenever you have a difficulty to understand which symbol should be put. So if you don't understand that, first you use bracket, then after that it's very easy for you to consider which symbol should be here. So plus into minus, minus. Now it's very easy to understand LCM of 7, 14 and 21. What is that? LCM of equal to 42. So I can use 42 here. 9 into 7 6 is 42, 3 into 14 3 is 42, and minus 8 into 21 2 is 42. It's a minus symbol. Plus 9 minus 16 upon 42. So the meaning is 63 minus 16 upon 42. So 47 upon 42 is your answer.